जिस तरह से शैतान ने एक उम्मीदें और एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑडियंस के दिलो दिमाग में बनाई है, क्योंकि एंगेज रखती है वो फ़िल्म, जिस तरह से उसका लोगों पर असर भी हुआ, काफ़ी लोगों ने पसंद किया। अब इससे भी काफ़ी उम्मीद है, तो किस तरह से ये फ़िल्म उससे भी बेहतरीन निकलेगी? किस तरह से ऑडियंस कनेक्ट कर पाके उसको एंगेज रखेगी फ़िल्म को? कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग होगी?
दो फिल्मों को कंपेयर कर नहीं सकते, कोशिश हमेशा यही रहती है। बाकी फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, आप देखेंगे, आप डिसाइड करेंगे, आपको पता चलेगा कि अच्छी है, कितनी अच्छी है।
Kajal, this one is for you. You are a mom to two beautiful children, and as me, as a mom myself, when I'm watching anything sensitive to children, it really bothers me. Like I will think twice.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's half the reason, actually. That I think I think I stood on a stage and I spoke about Salam Venki at one point as well. And so yes, absolutely. As a mother, it is one of those things that I think it's every parent's worst nightmare, really, that you can think of. There's nothing worse that you can think of beyond that.
So when you are doing a film like this, like while shooting or reading the script, did it bother you any point of time? And it's hard as a mother.
It is definitely. And somewhere, I don't know whether it's maybe it's a subconscious thing or whatever. I don't normally let it affect, you don't normally let it affect you in a shot. You tend not to. But somewhere down the line, things just somehow come easier. Emotions come easier, tears fall easier, all of that somehow when you feel like so connected to it and it's so real, yes.
My last question to you. Last time you and I spoke, we spoke about, how Nisha was only 1 year old when you shot My Name is Khan. And, now we are talking about mothers who are wanting, new moms who are wanting an 8-hour shift in workspace, in industry, in the film industry.
Right.
What do you think as a mother? Do you think this demand is right and people reacting to it, it's not going down well with people? What do you think about this?
Well, I love the fact that if you can work less
But,
and
but sorry to
less
interrupt.
hours.
Yeah.
It's not that it's not going well with. I mean, people understand.
A lot of
everybody's
people
problems.
do, because I know a lot of filmmakers are saying yes, please go ahead. And
Most of the honest filmmakers, I would say, will not have a problem with this. And apart from just being a mother and working for 8 hours, usually people have started working for 8 to 9 hours in a shift. So I think it's person to person, and most of the industry does understand all this.